Hi everyone, this is VCrew83 and today I have here your toy box. Now normally I cut it open and everything on camera so that you know I haven't peeked inside, but I went to pick it up and then I went to go see Amy Stark. Now, she kind of made me open it so she could see what was inside. Now, I only remember some bits, not others. But she made me open the box. But let's open it up and see what is inside. Got my very nice, very big Iron Spider suit figure. Let's move. Now I'm a big fan of the Iron Spider, so I'm really happy with that. Ah, what's that? Ah. And we have this like a Killer Croc figure. They say it's Killer Croc because the face just looks like it. So I'm going with Killer Croc. We've got, now this I don't know what it is, so it pretty looks weird, and Amy didn't know what it was, so if anyone knows what it is, please tell us because we have no clue. That is so weird. We have the Batman figure. I do like getting my Batman figures. As always, I wish there were more female characters. Mutant X, issue 7. Both me and Amy Stark were very happy to see that one. I do love Mutant X. It was amazing. And I want to say The Creech is issue 2 by Image Comics. It looks pretty cool. I've not come across it before, so I'm not 100% sure what it's about. But I'm looking forward to that one. And finally, the thing Amy Stark really wanted to actually take from the box. 90s Gambit figure. I absolutely love the 90s Gambit costume. I love having the figure. Yeah, and I got Pump Action! But it's so cool. And she's a massive Gambit fan as well, so it was funny. And that was all that's in the box. So we got The Creech issue 2 by Image Comics. We have got Mutant X issue 7 by Marvel Comics. You just gotta love it, look. Really cool picture of Archangel there. And yes, Archangel. There. Spider! I've just got to really get a cabinet for these big figures I'm getting. Killer Croc, which is ironic because the other day I watched Suicide Squad, which is in. Spoiler alert. Something I need my fellow YouTubers to help me with. What is it? I was thinking Blue Beetle, but that's Marvel. I'm missing Blue Beetle. Please help. Yeah, really cool Batman figure. And the epically cool Gambit, which, if I don't keep an eye on it, I see disappearing. But that's this month's Your Toy Box. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe, and hopefully Amy Stark won't get her hands on it before I get to unbox it next time. Goodbye.